Let's check on these crepe myrtles, see how they doing. All right, them red Rockies. Jack, that's a pretty tree, ain't it? Yeah, so, yep, leaves looking good on now. Okay. All right, remember the black sooty mold? I ain't have to spray this one though, but it look like this one, the leaves, yeah, they looking good. Yeah. So this one clear, but it's a pretty tree, right? Let's go check out that one the ones I sprayed. Let's see what they looking like. Here we go, here we go. Okay, this one of the, oh yeah, see? The new leaves, ain't got none on there. Some of that's the old stuff that I sprayed, but yeah, see? We ain't got no new. I think we got them. I think we got them. That's the old stuff when I sprayed. But see y'all, yeah, cause see them new leaves, they'd have been already. So and that's some of the old leaves and they ain't got back on them. So I think we got it. Let's check this out. Yeah. I think we got it. So just to remember these the ones, remember I had to get the bottle with the hose and everything and spray them just in case some of y'all ain't see that video. But yeah, I think we looking good. Yeah, see, ain't no new mold. That's old. Oh, that's good. Let's check this last one, y'all. Let's check this last one out. Oh, see? Because it's getting ready to flower. See them little beads? This the white one. This one got white flowers. This the natchez. See them, all them little beads? It's going to be flowers. Pretty white flowers. I'm going to show it to you when they come out. But yeah, I think we good. See, none of the new stuff got that mold on it. See, that whole grumpy nation. That's what I'm talking about. I love it when the plan come together, baby. I think we got it. So there you go. See, that was an easy fix. You know, you want your ornamental tree. This is an ornamental tree. You know, you want it to look good. So, but it wasn't no big deal. You know, I thought it was like, oh man, I don't know, it was a fungus or something killing it. It was just some insects in it, right? So there you go. That's how you homesteading. Too is not just the gardening and the animals. It's your trees too, cause you don't want your house to look like it's lived in. You know, you don't want to just look like well, I don't want to say that. You know what I'm talking about. But you don't want to look like that. You want to look like something. So I pruned them up bottom, how it's coming up like a tree. Prune your trees, y'all. Prune your trees. You got to prune your trees, make them grow. Help them grow. See, I got all the underneath. Even though it's a little flimsy, see how I tied it to keep it up, because this one kind of long. Well, that's all right. I'm gonna have to cut that maybe. But prune up your tree, make them look nice and clean underneath. See? That way when them flowers pop, I'll show you when them flowers pop, it's gonna be like, ooh, that's a nice tree. You might even want to buy you one. All right, y'all. Catch y'all on the next video.